Chapter 1, Section 3, Excel Formulas. This is problem number 1. We're asked to produce a spreadsheet where the first 100 rows are used. The cell in row N and column A should have the value N. Okay, let's just interpret this for a minute. Pick your favorite number for N, like if N is 1, then the cell in row 1 and column A should have a value of 1. But then if N is 2, the cell in row 2 and column A should have a value of 2. Okay, then once you kind of understand what you're supposed to do with this, so we're going to have rows, row 1, 2, up to 100. And then in column A, we're going to have the same value as the row. So 1, 2, up to 100. Then the cell in row N and column B should have a value of 8 times N. So if N is 1, I'm in row 1, column B should have a value of 8 times N, which is 1. Row 2, column B should be 8 times 2. So on down to 8 times 100. Okay, row 1, I want a 1. Row 2, I want 2. Row 3, I want 3. And so on down to 100. So you can select 2 of them, let Excel lock in on that pattern of adding 1, and then scroll down until you get to row 100. There we go. And then in column B, you want to have 8 times the value in column A. Then you can go to the copy fill handle and double click, and it should have 8 times the row number in every cell in column B. So now in web work, column A has a value of 30, column B has a value of 240, 31, 248, and 32, 256.